My name is Warren Ledingham and I'm the GM of APAC for Cryon. And our portfolio is, the domain is robotic process automation, and we've attached to that a capability called business process discovery. Okay,
business process discovery.
Yes, that's our portfolio, and this is unique in the market. So we've attached these two domains together and created an end-to-end automation process. Yeah, sure. So when we look at the offerings, it's sort of in different modes, if you like. So the modes are, we talked about process discovery, which could be utilized on its own in isolation, or on the robotic side, we have attended robots, we have hybrid, and we have unattended robots. So it's different modes of operation, if you like, and that makes up the portfolio. So that's a platform of capability that can be purchased separately or all together. So at the moment, some of the new things that have been introduced are things like multi-tenancy. We're increasing our performance, and because our capability has AI and machine learning inbuilt into the applications, it means that the more mature we get as a company, and the more customers we get, the more data that we process, the algorithms and the capability within our products are increasing in maturity and capability. So really it's an evolution. But where we see things moving is that hybrid automation will be commonplace. And in that scenario, what we have is, say, you as a user can, as you're going through your work, you can actually hand that work off to another robot. And you can have a robot on your desktop as well. So the robot on your desktop, that's what we call an attended robot. And we have the one on, for example, on the network is called an unattended robot. The combination of these two working together in a hybrid mode is hybrid automation, and this is what we see as the future. Sure, okay, so globally, I think as an industry, I would say banking, finance, insurance, or they say BFSI is a common one. So here, what we see is that industry moving very quickly to understand about automation, implementing quickly. There's actually many use cases. Now the good thing is about Cryon's approach, it's a horizontal approach. So we're not focused on one industry, but what we see is BFSI moving very quickly. Some of the use cases there are claims processing, for example, new account openings, working also in the contact center with CSRs. So it's a combination of different use cases, and they're really seeing tremendous benefit. Yeah, okay, so we've got like a great example in the US, which is Wyndham Hotels. So they're a very big user of Cryon, and they've also taken the portfolio as a whole. And so they've really utilized the capability. What they've seen is tremendous improvement in their business. Now, so much so that they've even done video testimonials. They've actually helped us with our marketing because they're that passionate about what we're doing and how we've helped them. But we're really, and the things that we've helped them with is, for example, reducing check-in times at hotels, flexible pricing when you check into the establishments. It's really made a huge impact on their business. They've been able to redeploy staff. They've been able to increase productivity. It's just, I would say, a very wide-ranging use case in their example. Well, I think there's a very high, I was a speaker as well, but I'll talk on behalf of the other speakers. And what I would say is there's very high caliber. And what I did notice, that one of the differences, I guess, with my own profile and theirs is that they were industry experts, many coming from a research background and having like deep domain knowledge in AI. Where I'm more coming from a business and enterprise aspect, very passionate about technology and AI, more towards the business. So I think the combination of the speakers has been solid. Yeah, so look, I've had some great discussions. After our presentation, what I did see was some of the delegates coming up, and then that got them thinking about specific use cases in their own environment. And now we're going to start to explore those. So I think it's a wide range. I would say not everyone is like passionate about automation, but I think from the conference itself that they've now understood that automation can be very beneficial for the business and are now starting to explore.